In this video, we'll be talking on differentiation of y is equals to sine ax. It's also one of the standard derivatives. And if y is equals to sine ax, then the y dx is equals to a cos ax. Okay, a cos ax. Now let's take some examples. Number 1. Given sine x, let's assume we have sine 2x. Y is equals to sine 2x. Now the first thing we'll consider is compare it to sine ax. And when we compare it to sine ax, we have that a is equals to 2. A is equals to 2. Therefore, our dy dx in this format is a, and our a is 2 cos ax, and that is 2x. Now it's as easy as that. Okay, we just have to know the principles and then apply the principle. Let's take another example. Given y is equal to 3 sine 4x. Okay, now the first thing we will consider is to compare it to sine ax and to know what our a stands for. When we compare to sine ax, we have that our a is equal to 4. But then we don't know what this 3 is. Okay, now to evaluate the y dx, okay, which is d of the x of 3 sine 4x, and this is equal to 3 d dx of sine 4x. Now we can see that this 3 here became a multiplicator, a scalar multiplier to the differential of sine 4x. Now when we differentiate sine 4x, applying the principle we have here, that if a is equal to sine ax, then our dy dx is a cos ax. That's 3 multiplied by differentiating sine 4x will give us 4 cos 4x, because a is equal to 4. Okay, now our 3 times 4 is 12. That will give us cos 4x. Let's take another example to clarify number 2 again. If you say y is equals to 2 minus 2 sine 3x. Now let's compare it to sine ax. We can see that our a is equal to 3. Now differentiating with respect to x of minus 2 sine 3x is equal to minus 2 of multiplied by the differential of sine 3x. Now if you evaluate d dx of sine 3x, because our a is equal to 3, we will have it to give us 3 cos 3x. Okay, because of the principle that when we differentiate sine ax, we will have it to give us a cos ax, and a in this case is equals to 3. So when we multiply by minus 2, we have minus 6 cos 3x. Okay, and let's take a final example of y is equals to minus 4 sine x. Now if you compare it to y is equals to sine ax, it will say that our a is assumed 1, that our a is equal to 1. So differentiating with respect to x of minus 4 sine x, or sine 1x, is equal to minus 4 dx of sine x. Now in this case our a is equals to 1. Okay, that is minus 4 multiplied by 1 cos 1x. That's minus 4 multiplied by cos x, and that's to give us minus 4 cos x.